Hello, welcome back to Katie's Kitchen. I'm Katie, and today I'm making iced tea. I have a small saucepan of water, about 8 tea bags, not sure what size they are, and I've set the stove to medium high. And I let that heat up. As you can see, it's heating up, and then once it gets to almost a boil, I turn it off, and I let it steep for about 10 minutes. Now, I did not grow up drinking iced tea. I just started drinking iced tea as a teenager. We just did not have iced tea in the house growing up. And that's kind of a little bit unusual for having grown up in the South, but that's just how it was in my house. We did not grow up drinking iced tea. And for the longest time, I just made my iced tea with water, tea bags, sugar, more water, lots of ice, and that was good enough for me. But then I started, wondering why certain restaurants' iced tea tastes better than the stuff I make. I've removed the tea bags, and now I'm going to pour it into the jug. This is actually the second batch that I made, and I poured that into the existing tea and about 2 cups of sugar. Actually, that was like a pint mason jar up to the line, and I'm diluting it with some more water. And whoa, what's that? That is a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And yes, it does make a big difference. I don't know why, but it really does, and it tastes like the restaurant iced tea that I love.